Storm and hail hit South Australia today, as well as gusts of up to 100 miles per hour. Ice and sleet flowed like rivers through the streets of Adelaide in a way that locals called it incredible crazy weather. Australia is at risk of tornadoes as thunderstorms sweep across the country, bringing floods, gigantic hail, dust storms and high winds. Urgent severe weather warnings have been issued for South Australia, Victoria and parts of New South Wales as dangerous storms build up overnight. Up to 6,000 homes were left without electricity, of which Adelaide Hills was among the worst affected areas, and 2,500 families were left in the dark due to the devastating storm. The storms are expected to peak during the night, with a serious fire warning in South Australia as well. Authorities warned of possible flooding in western and northern Victoria, as well as possible dust storms as strong winds from the hurricane rip off the dry topsoil. Today and tomorrow, nature is throwing a mixed reaction in southeast Australia due to heavy rain, storm winds, severe fire hazard and severe thunderstorms, said forecaster Jackson Brown. Elsewhere, hail covered the ground like snow. A spokesman for the State Emergency Service said she received more than 280 calls for help in a day, especially in homes with dormers. We really expect this number to grow steadily over the next few hours, especially as people come home from work, she said. This is the season of storms at this time, and this emphasizes the need to prepare people. We do see that these storms can happen quite quickly, and they can be quite violent.